Oh my god.
Tiwala kay pare. Easy lang
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro. What is going on, bro? There's ghosts. Kamote Riders / Bikers Instant Karma. So many of you guys linked this over, and you guys basically have told me this is a hilarious compilation that you got to check out. In the Philippines, you've already seen some fails, some like car crashes, basketball, things like that on the channel. And now you guys have linked over this. You got to see some instant karma moments. It's hilarious. Check it out in the Philippines. Hey, I'm excited, guys. Come join me. Let's go. What?
May mga ilang riders na parang akala mo sila ang may-ari ng kalsada. Liliko muna bago titingin. Counterflow, walang pake kahit delikado. Pero teka lang, ang tadhana may sariling traffic enforcer. At sa video na to, makikita mo kung paano sila turuan ng leksyon instantly. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang mga kamote riders na pasaway sa kalsada na agad binawian ng karma. Counterflow, malala itong si kuya.
What is
Kaso
bro
ang
doing?
karma, mabilis talagang bumuelta. Ayan tuloy, tricycle niya, biglang umarangkada.
How in the...
Ayan tuloy, tricycle niya, biglang umarangkada.
Yo, he went flying.
Sorry.
Oh.
Itong si Ante mukhang galing sa
No.
palengke. Nakalimutan niyang kuning sili. Babalikan lang daw niya kasi. Pasalamat ka, walang buhaya sa tabi. Counterflow ka na. Nag-U-turn ka pa ng walang pasabi.
Yo. How in the world?
Kaya wag
Yo,
kang
how did they get
nagpapahiram
away
ng
with it?
motor kung kani-kanino. Lalo
My real question is like, even with bro dodging that moment, what made him think that? Why was he going the wrong way?
itong si Ante mukhang galing sa palengke. Nakalimutan niyang kuning sili. Babalikan lang daw niya kasi. Pasalamat ka, walang buhaya sa tabi. Counterflow ka na. Nag-U-turn ka pa ng walang pasabi.
Like, and the person on the sidewalk just walking with their hands behind their back, like, they're just like, anyways, like, what?
Kaya wag kang nagpapahiram ng motor kung kani-kanino. Lalo na dyan sa kaibigan mong abusado.
Yeah,
Baka
like,
matulad ka dito.
Oh
Yung may-ari
my-
tuloy na pagastos ng todo.
Aniyak mo! Itanga ka eh!
Grabe talaga magmaneho ang ibang tricycle driver. Ayan
Bro.
tuloy, pasahero niya. Biglang napatakbo, tanggal tuloy ang hangover.
Yo, you forgot your
Bagong
guy.
biling motor ni Oscar, ipinagyabang agad sa daan. Walang tigil sa kakabomba. Sundalo tuloy, siya ay nabigwasan. Itong si
Yo, you better
ate,
stop with that.
bigla na lang huminto sa gitna ng kalye. Paano ba
Ma'am.
naman kasi? Tinext bigla ni Kumare, manghihiram daw muna ng 20. Pangkapi daw habang naghihintay ng swerte. Galawan ng ibang tricycle driver.
Like, why?
Natutunan ni Kuya.
Oh
Liko
my!
muna bago lingon. Pag nasalpok ka sigurado hindi ka nababangon. Kung ganito ka din magmaneho, simulan mo nang magbago para hindi po tayo
Yo!
nakakaperwisyo.
Dude, come on, bro. You have got to be kidding me right now.
Kaya dapat lagi tayong nakafocus sa daan. Hindi dapat naglalayag ang isipan. Kasi isang maling liko, buhay ang kapalit niyan. Itong si Oscar, wala nang suot na helmet, bigla pang nag-counterflow. Ayun sumalpok, hindi na nga nag-sorry, bigla pang tumakbo.
Yo, don't tell me bro actually just got back on
Bagong
like
bili niyang
nothing
motor
happened.
na hulugan. Ipinagkatiwala kay pare. Easy lang
Oh my gosh, bro. It's like shiny and wet too. What is your thinking here, bro? I genuinely want to know what's your thought process.
daw yan itawid. Kaso pag nahulog, ikaw ay mapapasisid.
Oh.
Nag-rides ang dalawang magtropa. Sasakyan ay nakasalubong. Biglang liko sablay ang kalkula. Nakaiwas naman. Kaso ayun, sa palaisdaan sila bumalandra.
Brother. It's alright, bro. It's alright, bro.
Mag-ingat sa ganitong mga kamote rider. Pag overshoot sa kurbada, normal na lang sa kanila. Kaya dapat laging alerto ka. Dahil pag tinamaan ka nila, damay ka pa.
Oh my gosh.
Holy
Is this he's in the Philippines too. That's what happens. What? Girl.
Ewan ko ba kung bakit ang hilig
Yo.
nilang pumasok sa masisikip. Kung sa maluwag ka sana sumingit, edi sana walang masakit.
Oh my god. They just get out and leave, bro. This isn't even in the
Itong
Philippines
segundo,
either.
nakita niya ang daan pa impyerno.
Yo, 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 yo. My worst nightmare. Oh my.
Siya na nga yung nasa mali, siya pa yung may ganang magalit.
What? Is she
Kawawa
yelling
naman
at
si
him?
Tropa. First time
Poop
sumama
troop.
sa rides na budol pa. Kaya pala nagtataka siya. Bakit enduro dala ng mga tropa niya?
Yo- Dude, don't. I mean, hey, it works. It works. All right. Brother.
Isang munting paalala
Oh
pag
my
motor mo ay
gosh.
biglang natumba. Siguraduhin mo agad na patay ang makina bago mo itayo repa. Kung ayaw mong magaya sa sinapit niya.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tunay na nakakaumay itong mga
Yo.
kamoteng mahilig mangdamay. Kung gusto nyong
Dude!
bumangking-banking sa racetrack nyo gawin, lagi nating alalahanin ang mga mahal
Yo,
sa buhay
some
natin
people, bro.
na naghihintay sa araw-araw ng ating pagdating.
Yes. Brother. You already know it's gonna go bad. You know this is gonna go bad. Good wheel. No way. Bro. Yeah, there's a jeepney right there, guys.
Dito pala nagsimula ang salitang back ride. Baka na mahilig mag-rides.
Where is this? Is this in India or Pakistan? Where is this? Yo!
Sitting pretty daw si ate habang nasa biyahe. Driver niya, biglang
Oh, no.
nakaidlip ng walang pasabi. Muntik na tuloy silang paglamayan sa kanilang garahe.
Yo.
Pagmamalasin
Come
ka
on.
nga naman, yung nakahinto ka lang sa daan, bigla ka na lang makakarinig ng kalabog sa gilid ng iyong sasakyan.
She gonna fall. No, they always do this, bro. I feel so bad for her, bro. Because then she just lays there. She knows, bro. She's like, please tell me nobody saw that. Everybody saw that. Or at least just this dude saw it, bro.
Mas nakakatakot ata to kesa sa multo. Akalain mo, motorsiklo sasalubong sa'yo ng walang tao. Mapapakamot ka na lang
It
talaga
is
sa
scarier than
ulo.
it's scarier than a ghost. Who's driving? Yo, bro's looking for a driver. He's literally looking for a driver. Where's the driver? Dude. Oh, it says slow down, deep excavation right there. And bro, who's hello? No one's driving the thing. What is going on, bro? There's ghosts. No. It's gonna go. No. He's gonna turn. Yep. It's always accidentally turning the thing, bro. Is it going by itself? Why is it
Only
looking?
in the Philippines.
It's driving straighter than, yeah, only in the Philippines because it's driving straighter than regular drivers. Look,
Only in the Philippines. Habang bumabiyahe sa gitna ng malakas na ulan, may nadaan ng tricycle na kakaiba ang datingan. Pero
yo, it's driving.
teka, asa ng driver? Wala sa manibela, parang may kababalaghan. Mga tao tuloy na nakakakita, medyo kinikilabutan. At nang kanilang malaman, nasa loob pala ang driver, chill na chill dahil ayaw maulanan.
Oh, he's inside holding it. Yo, because I was about to say, why is it driving straighter than people who are...
Nakakatuwa man pero
Actually
dapat
driving.
wag natin itong tularan para aksidente sa daan ay maiwasan.
Yeah, no. Don't do that ever. Maybe he's in a suit. He don't want to get it wet. Yo. This is just crazy stuff, bro. I mean, I'm glad it ended there. I just want to say to you guys, I love when you send videos like this because genuinely, it just makes me happy to see, like, even though I know like some of them are dangerous accidents, but it's just so enjoyable in terms of like how funny in the Philippines they choose to go about certain things. Like, bro, what are y'all doing, bro? Y'all are tripping, bro. And like, I love seeing it. It's really enjoyable to watch. I really appreciate you guys linking these over. Link over some more. Any others I should react to. I love you guys. Till next time. Peace.
How good you been living? Wait, how good you been living? I've been living too good for you. I've been living too. Did what I did and I do it again. Every move that I make, I ain't feeling repent. Nobody believes to believe it's a friend, and you question your moves like it really won't end. Really?